friend, as second language learners, sometimes we confuse how to use preposition. Do you know what preposition is? Preposition is a word that show the relationship among other words in a sentence. Preposition of place are a common preposition that we use in our daily life context. We will learn about preposition of place with Mrs. Young and her daughter Lizzie. Let's see.
Mother, where is the bird? Oh, the bird is on the tree. Mother, where is the bird? Oh, the bird is in the box. Mother, where is the bird? Lizzie, the bird is behind the tree. Mother, where is the bird? Lizzie, the bird is between the box. Let's see. Mother, where is the bird? Lizzie, the bird is in front of the tree. Lizzie, although you always ask the same question, I will always answer because I love you so much.